Right, so this is the river crossing. There's my Land Cruiser. Not really equipped for this. This is the road. Now, the sand is weirdly soft. That's the road, and I'm not sure if you can make it out, but it comes out the other side. So we're going to go for a walk, and let's just have a look, see. For a few moments we thought we were going out there. That's never going to happen. This is pretty shallow. Nice pebbles. We're not going to get over these icebergs though, so we'll have to do some manoeuvring around the icebergs. But I think it's doable. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be driving here, but one side up on the verge, won't do too much damage. We can come along the edge. Yeah, I'm not going to walk it all the way. Famous last words. See ya.